Alright, I'll be showing you guys how to change the screen on an HP 2000. I guess we'll just go ahead and shut this off. Before you start, make sure you take out the battery first. Alright, first thing you want to do is on each corner there's a little round sticker over a screw that you need to get to before you can move off the face of the laptop to get to the screen. I'm just going to stick them here just so I don't lose it. Oops, got it stuck down there. Don't want to lose those. Once you get those off, it's pretty easy to get the screen off. You just go and stick your finger in here and it just clicks. That means you're getting it out. Now that you got the front of it off, you want to get the two screws. Just two on top there, one on each corner. Yep, okay. Now you have three screws on one side and on the other side over here. You don't want to pull on it too much because you can actually break where the screen is being held into the back panel. Now that we have all the screws off, go and bring it forward to see this ribbon here for the webcam. You want to go and carefully get that off because you don't want to pull on it and end up ripping it. And it's on here, down here as well. And from here there's a bit of tape holding down the ribbon cable to the screen. I'm going to lift that up and then you can just pull back and it's right out. Now that we got the old screen out, you want to make sure you get the right one. So usually you can find it in the back of the screen. You'll see this number here, LP156WH4, and you'll go ahead and look for that one. There's other compatible ones that work also, but you'll probably want to stick with the same number if you're not sure, just to make sure you get one that works. So I already got the new screen ready, so we're going to get that ribbon cable back in. Alright. That sticker's a little worn out, but it'll be fine. You're going to line it back up and put it back to the way you had it. Alright. Got the last one in. Now we're going to put these two top ones back on. Oops. I can't get it now. Why am I having trouble? I'm being a little clumsy right now. There it goes. Boom. Now we're going to put this panel back on, which is pretty easy. It's at the very bottom. You have a tough time clicking it down here. You won't accidentally push too hard and mess up your new screen. Now that we got it back together, let's go ahead and test it, which is something I probably should have did before putting it back together, just in case, so that you don't have to go and take it apart again. But it looks like it's working fine. What the heck is this guy doing? What the heck? Freaking moron teammate?